Hello, this is Gio. Hey, look what we have here. We have a bathroom sink, and I kind of want to focus in on the stopper today. Now, this particular one is one of the more modern versions, which is either called a click-clack or a push-button type of stopper. You don't have to pull anything behind the spigot here. You just push it and it seals. And when you push it again, it will drain the water. These are really convenient, but when I first encountered these, I was a little confused how to clean them out when they get plugged. But believe it or not, it's one of the easiest things to do. And for most of these, it's as simple as just grabbing the stopper and pulling straight out, just like this. And you can see there's a little bit of debris here. You just use some water and kind of clean it out. Maybe use your fingers to get some of the debris out. You can see kind of how it works here. It's all in one. It's just one complete unit. And once you're done cleaning it, you just simply push it back into place. Just like that. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please hit that like button at the bottom of the screen. And even consider subscribing to my channel. I have many more videos to come. Bye-bye.